there, boys and girls. I did not even realize you were there yet. I was just practicing blowing the 4 tar notes into the head joint. I hope that you've all been practicing hard. Let's take a listen. Take your head joints and let's blow. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, and tar, 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 tar. And again, tar, 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 tar. Well done. I can see that you've all been practicing. Today, Peyton is visiting me.
Good day, friends. I am so excited to visit Mrs. B and cannot wait to learn more about the recorder. Mrs. B, I've learned this new song in a week. I've been singing it all the time. I think it's stuck in my head.
Oh my gosh, what song might that be?
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N,
Stop!
P.
I think I remember that song. Is it maybe called the alphabet song?
Yes, Mrs. B, you are correct. I just love singing this song. I sing it all the time.
I can hear that you love singing that, but did you know that in music we also have an alphabet?
Really?
Absolutely. The music alphabet is quite unique. It only has 7 letters, not 26 like the alphabet at school. I think if you can say the alphabet, I will count on my fingers and we stop when I have 7 fingers showing. Can we do that?
Yes.
Let's go.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G.
Stop. And what letter did you stop on?
The 7.
And that is a
G.
I think that maybe we should get our friends to say it with us. Do you think so?
Yes.
Let's do this. Are you ready? 1 and A, B, C, D, E, F, G.
Only 7 letters to remember? How easy.
That is so easy, and I'm sure you will remember that. Now, Peyton, if you could hold the recorders for me, I would like to show our children in their workbooks, they have 7 circles. If you can please, very neatly, write the music alphabet in the circles.
Mrs. B, how will the music alphabet help me play the recorder?
I'm so glad that you're asking me this question. It's very simple. I think to show you how, we're going to learn to play B. So you take your recorder and the very first hole, the top hole, you place your finger, Peter pointer finger, over the hole, and on the back you have a thumb hole. And you place your thumb on there and make sure that there are no openings because you don't want a squeaking sound.
Mrs. B, do I now just blow tar notes into the head joint like I practiced for today?
Absolutely. Make sure that you have your fingers covering all the holes because we don't want no squeaky. And let's go. 1, 2, 3, and again. I think we should ask our friends to join us. Are you ready? Let's join us and again. Peyton, you've done an amazing job today, but it's time for us to say goodbye to our friends.
Bye-bye, friends.
And remember to practice your bees this week and be brilliant buzzing bees. Till next time. Bee, 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 bye.